This is Tom Dillon, the Lifetime Liberal, and today is Tuesday, January 30th, 2024. The title of this rant is Kitchen Table Issue Number 1, Healthcare and Why to Vote Only for Democrats. So one of many, many issues, but let's go back. Obamacare, as I used to love to call it, extended children being on their parents' policy till 26, cut out pre-existing conditions, and if you had a job and you wanted to quit the job and you had Obamacare, you could take it with you, whereas before, every time you left the job, you lost your health care, unless you had to pay that exorbitant COBRA thing. So Republicans tried to overturn Obamacare at least 60 plus times. And the purveyor of evil, the current candidate in the Republican Party, has insisted that he has a replacement, but there has never been any alternative to Obamacare. And today, I'll just call it Joe Care, is more popular than ever. There are over 21 million people on it. And if we take in also Medicare and Medicaid, they have capped the cost of insulin at $35. They're now negotiating with drug companies to lower prescription drug costs. And let's just put out, healthcare, like everything else, is going up. But who is fighting for you to try and keep these costs down as much as possible? And let's remember, big pharma, big insurance, big medical, whatever, they're making gobs of money all over the place. All we're saying is you need to make less money, and that money is to help Americans and with their healthcare costs and help them stay healthy. Now, I just also want to point out things that aren't mentioned is that, the Veterans Administration has been able to negotiate drug care costs for years. Why can't Medicare, Medicaid, and, the Biden administration go after big pharma, et cetera, to work on healthcare costs? So I say to my sisters and brothers, especially those who are people of color, is that only Democrats will fight for you day in and day out, for you, for your family, and for everyone in this country to keep healthcare costs down. The best thing I can say is, in terms of healthcare, if that's important to you, to your parents, to your siblings, to cousins, to relatives, etc., vote only for Democrats.